Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brian. Today, I don't have a whole lot of time, so I thought I would do a quick video. I'm going to do a black canvas. It is a 20 by 24. Yesterday, I tried to pour one with a split canvas, didn't like it, so I scraped it, let it dry overnight. Now I'm going to pour over top of it, so I've decided to do a black. And I will use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. And that's about it. And for those of you who have subscribed to my channel, I definitely want to say thank you very much. I've broken the 100 mark, which is, a very small feat if you're thinking about it. But it's taken me a few weeks. I think my channel's been up and running for a little over a month. So I'm very happy that has happened. And for those of you who are just watching and have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button in the bottom right-hand corner of this video and get notified when I post up a new video by clicking that little bell next to the subscribe button too. So, all right, I'll be right back. I'll get you down on the canvas. All right, so I think what I've decided to do is start from the bottom here, go up to the middle, and then split off. Kind of like a giant Y. Just realized I don't have much dioxazine purple. Not enough to do this. I'm gonna have to mix up some, so let's substitute this with DecoArt Metallic Amethyst. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put down my greenish blue first. Let's torch for any air bubbles. I think I'm gonna start down here. is very interesting. I love this color combination. There's tons of cells. All right. I think what I want to do is, wow, this is just very nice. I don't know where to start. I like the composition. I almost like it, everything just the way it is. Got a little bit of color right here in the center that I would like to see move. That's better. Okay. Really loving how this turned out. Kidding me. I just can't keep myself out of these big pieces. I need to cut some height off of my table. My table is just a wee bit too high. All right. Let's see if I can move this. Bad idea moving the plastic. Should not have done that. Okay. All right, the only thing I want to do is see if I can get any of this out to move just a skosh. Trying to get the symmetry right with this angle. All right, there are tons of cells in this. And I'm just gonna leave this alone. I keep saying that and then I mess with it, but it's just like I wanna mess with the symmetry a little bit. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna get over there to do things. I guess what I could do is turn the canvas. There we go. Okay, I'm done. I'm gonna bring it back here. and leave it alone. Okay guys, I am finished with this. Okay, so that's the full effect here. Check out all of the cells. Tons of lacing. Tons of lacing. The metallics, those iridescents. So the only thing I'm gonna do is I need to go back in here, touch up all the black sides, and then I'm gonna go through and scrape all the bottom, so. Okay guys, once this dries, I'll get it up on the wall, let you see the dried result, and then it will get a coat of crystal resin and it'll be ready for sale. Okay guys, so we'll see you next time. Have a good week. Okay guys, here is the dried result. This really kind of surprised me. It kind of reminds me more or less kind of like a tree, but it kind of looks like a monster of some sort. I don't know, but it dried really great. Look at this. See if I can get something without a glare. Now this has no clear crystal resin on it yet, but when it does, these colors are really going to come back to life. Can't seem to get the shadow out of here. The gold really came through. The purple, it's like a big blast of purple, especially right here in the center. All right, guys, so as always, my pieces are for sale. If you're interested, you can email directly at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that little red subscribe button. Hit the little notification bell. That'll let you know when I get a new video posted to my channel. And for those of you who are already subscribers, I can't thank you enough. I really appreciate your following me. Okay, guys, until next time, I will see you later.